Hello people and welcome to a Wick tutorial. So in this tutorial so basically in this tutorial we think that I think that you already know the basics of Wick. If you don't, then there are some good tutorials like look at Damasco, and yeah, that's the only good like Wick Editor tutorials out there. There might be more, but like we're just going over like some things that we're just going over some things that you can do with Wick Editor. Okay, so today we're going to learn how to make a play button. So here's our game plan. You probably might not see it, which is why I'm not. Okay, so our game plan is basically to have a button that plays an animation when clicked. So that's our simple game plan. So we're going to make that. Okay, so first we need to make the actual like interface the play button is in. So let's make that. Title. I'm just going to select the fonts here. Just going to change a little bit. And then Anton. And then full play button. So it's just going to be simple text that says play. So let's select this with the cursor tool, and in the inspector, scroll down and select Make Button. And as you can see, there's Edit Timeline. Click that. So if you want to add some things with your play button, you can do this. So like fill. So I'm gonna go to the play to frame 2, which is this little red thing right here. And yeah, I'm just going to make the over thing gray. So now it should be this. Okay, good. There's a cool little hover effect now. Okay, so let's do the code here. So let's edit the frame that the play button is in. So in this frame, we're gonna type in stop. So that's good. That's it. And in the play button, you can see the scripts in the inspector, mouse click. As you can see, play. And these little parentheses that you can see. So let's make a second frame, and this onwards would be our animation. So I'm just going to make a little animation right here. Do some tweening. Just mess around the square a little bit. And as you can see, when I play it, the animation actually plays. So that's a really basic tutorial. You might actually do some cool stuff with this. But yeah, this is our basis right here. So yeah, that's how to make that.